Hey, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna take a look at some of the changes inside Windows 11 inside their preview build 26,200.5742 inside developer channel. Now, let me show here in the settings that I am actually right now on this build. So operating system build 26,200.5742. I installed this update today, as you can see, and I am actually inside developer channel. So let's take a look at some of the changes here inside this build. And first change is actually start menu. And Microsoft actually redesigned the mobile device companion with an updated layout that lets you access more right from start. Now you can scroll to access more recent activity items so you can stay on top of updates from your mobile device. Users will be able to access messages, calls, photos, mobile app updates, and more from this new updated layout. So I don't have any phone connected to my Windows PC, but here I can show you this simple screenshot of Android and also iPhone. Now here on top we can see Bluetooth and how many of the percentage your phone actually has. Then we have messages, calls, photos, and also the same thing on the iPhone. And the actual UI looks the same no matter if you have Android or iPhone. So I think this is a plus. And I think that this is also a plus if you have an iPhone, that you can also connect it to your Windows computer. So this is one welcome change from this brand new build. So 26,200. And let's go here down below to see even more changes here inside this build. So one of them is actually that they are moving more time and language settings from control panel to settings. So if we go here, we can go to the settings, we can go to time and language, and inside here, we can click here on date and time, and down below, you can pretty much change the time zone. We have here also down below this setting, which is brand new here, show time and date in the system tray. So if you want, you can also disable this and there will be no more date and time inside your system tray. However, if I click here on the drop down, you guys can also add one additional clock and also second additional clock. And also, you can also add the show seconds option inside the system tray. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, make sure that you smash up the like button on this video and also subscribe to the channel if you, of course, haven't already. And if you need a brand new wallpaper pack, I made a brand new wallpaper pack, which you guys can check out in the video description below. And they also added here this option so you can now change your time server from settings, time, language, date, and time under the additional setting. Now, another option which is also here, that you guys can also change number and currency format from settings. So time and language, language and region section. So if I go here to time and language, we can go language and region. So pretty much we can also change here the country or region and also regional format. As you can see, we can change all of the options right here. And also device setup region, we can also change that as well. And we have here even more options, like that if you would like to enable Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support, there is also now a toggle for this under settings, time, language, language, and region under the language section. And now also, if needed, you can now copy current user language and region settings to welcome screen and system account, as well as new user accounts from settings, time, language, language, and region, and under additional settings. And they are also apparently moving keyboard settings, so more keyboard settings from control panel to the settings. So if I go here to the settings, accessibility, we should have here keyboard. So we can see here that we have character repeat delay rate, and they also updated under the other more dialogues to match the Windows 11 visuals, including the dialogue for when an app can't open. So this is really, really cool. And we are finally having some more adjustments for Windows 11. So the design would be more updated and more coherent among all of the UI elements inside Windows 11. Now, they're also launching or pushing out some fixes, which are being pushed out gradually to developer channel with toggle on. So pretty much we have some fixes for the File Explorer, where they fix an issue where some of the icons in details, preview, and navigation panes of File Explorer weren't properly mirrored when Arabic or Hebrew display languages. Now, they also fixed some of the issues with the start menu, like fixed an issue for insiders with the new start menu where they might unexpectedly see a category generated for every letter of the alphabet with blank icons when opening the start menu in the all section after updating to the previous build. Now, this build also has some known issues, especially this one right here where it says start menu. So for insiders with a new start menu, the layout may temporarily show a smaller start menu, 6 column of pinned apps instead of 8. This issue will be resolved shortly and the larger layout will be restored. So this is basically this brand new start menu, which this new version of Windows 25 H2 actually has. I think it looks very nice and it has some of the improvements compared to the previous version of the Windows 11 start menu. Now, yeah, pretty much this is this brand new update of Windows 11, so 25H2, and it's released 26,200.5742. It has some of the welcoming changes, but in the next upcoming releases, more fixes and also more new features will be coming out. Now, if you want to stay updated on the things like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also like this video. And of course, if you need a brand new wallpaper, I will leave its link in the video description down below. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video.